KEYENCE is proud to announce the newest innovation to its 3D microscopy and surface measurement lineup, the VHX 3D laser scanning confocal microscope. The VKX series is a non-contact metrology system designed to provide nanometer-level profile, roughness, and film thickness measurements on any type of material. With over 20 years of innovation in surface metrology, KEYENCE has combined several innovative technologies into an all-in-one 3D measurement tool for both shape and surface analysis. The VKX 1000 is 12 times faster than conventional laser microscopes and capable of measuring an area 16 times larger. For the first time, measurements across a 50mm area can be quickly analyzed with nanometer resolution. Unlike conventional measurement systems that require a user to manually adjust multiple settings before measuring a part, the VKX is able to automatically scan a surface with just the push of a button. A motorized XY stage allows users to easily move to the location of interest on their sample, while a navigation window gives an overall view of the part. Additionally, a motorized lens turret can hold up to 6 dedicated measurement lenses so that users can adjust magnification with a click of a button. The VKX now incorporates focus variation, an ISO-certified measurement principle. This new feature gathers surface data 12 times faster than standard laser microscopes. Using a 0.5 nanometer linear scale, focus variation accurately measures targets even at 5 times magnification, expanding the total measurable range to 50 millimeters. Users can now produce more reliable data in a fraction of the time. Several features have been added to automate and program the VKX series 3D measurement system. Teaching lets users program the microscope to travel to user-specified locations on the stage to collect data, eliminating the need for operators to manually measure each area separately. The post-processing analysis software provides advanced measurement capabilities, making it easier to tie measurements to decision-making. The recommendation tool compares 2 samples or sample sets across 42 roughness parameters, providing a clear analysis of how 2 samples differ. Batch processing promotes measurement across many parts, saving time and increasing repeatability. Visit our website to download the product brochure or contact us directly for an on-site product demonstration.